So this is the amount which is to be now ledger posting capital reduction account debit side. To stock account 15,000 and to debtors account 16,000. Debtors account 16,000. Next, furniture and fittings to be reduced by rupees 63,000. So again, same entry number right. What is the number of entry? Serial number of entry?
7.
7. Capital reduction account debit. Capital reduction account debit 63,000. 63,000 to furniture and fixtures account. To furniture and fixtures account 63,000. Narration being furniture and fittings to be reduced. Furniture and fittings to be reduced by rupees 63,000. By rupees 63,000 as per the scheme of reconstruction. As per the scheme of reconstruction. Now the amount of furniture given in the balance sheet is 2,10,000. Now when we are showing new furniture in the balance sheet, from the 2,10,000, 63,000 are to be deducted and the amount which is remain is to be shown in the balance sheet. So keep in mind one by one. Next, the posting, ledger posting of this capital reduction account debit side to furniture and fittings. To furniture and fittings 63,000. Next, land is appreciated by 300%. Now land is given on the balance sheet 3 lakhs. So 300% means 3 lakhs at the rate of 300%. How much increase or appreciation?
9 lakhs.
9 lakhs. So make the entry. Land account debit, entry number 8. Land account debit 9 lakhs to capital reduction account. To capital reduction account 9 lakhs. Narration being land of rupees 3 lakhs. Land of rupees 3 lakhs appreciated by 300%. Appreciated by 300% as per the scheme of reconstruction. As per the scheme of reconstruction. So ledger posting on the capital reduction account credit side by land into bracket appreciation bracket complete 9 lakhs. Now for the debit side, which assets are reduced? Right into bracket reduced. So plant and machinery is also reduced. Stock is also reduced. Debtors also reduced. And furniture also reduced. So appreciation is all recorded on credit side, and the reduction, that is reduce, is recorded on debit side. Next, number 10, there was an unrecorded asset which was sold for rupees 20,000. Now, when any particular unrecorded asset is sold, the cash comes. So it is to be journalized. Number 9, journal entry number 9, bank account debit. Bank account debit 20,000. Now it is related to internal reconstruction. That is why to capital reduction account. To capital reduction account 20,000. Narration being unrecorded asset. Unrecorded asset sold for rupees 20,000. Sold for rupees 20,000 as per the scheme of reconstruction. As per the scheme of reconstruction. So ledger posting, capital reduction account credit side by bank into bracket asset sold amount 20,000. Next, preference shares are reduced to rupees 6 each. The preference shares are given on the liability side. 9% preference shares of rupees 10 each fully paid. So these are reduced to rupees 6. So 9 or 10 number entry. 6%, sorry, 9% preference shares. 9% preference shares. Account debit into bracket old. Into bracket old. Amount is given 4 lakhs. Amount is given 4 lakhs. To 9% preference shares. To 9% preference shares. Into bracket new. आता 6 रुपयावर नेऊन ठेवलेला आहे आणि 4 रुपये रिड्यूस केलेले आहेत. टू कॅपिटल रिडक्शन अकाउंट. टू कॅपिटल रिडक्शन अकाउंट. आता 40,000 शेअर्स गुणिले 4 रुपयाचं रिडक्शन म्हणजे 1,60,000 टू कॅपिटल रिडक्शनला लिहा. 1,60,000 टू कॅपिटल रिडक्शन आणि रिमेनिंग न्यू ला लिहा. 4 लाखातून 1,60 गेले. 2 लाख.
2,40,000.
So debit credit comes equal. Narration being preference shares of rupees 10 each. Preference shares of rupees 10 each reduced to rupees 6 each. Reduced to rupees 6 each as per the scheme of reconstruction. As per the scheme of reconstruction. So ledger posting on the credit side of capital reduction account by 9% preference share capital. By 9% preference share capital. What is the amount of capital reduction that is to be recorded? 1,60,000. Now new shares will remain of rupees 6 each. Then number 12, 50% of the sundry creditors are reduced to the extent of 50% of their book value. हे डिबेंचर आउटस्टँडिंग डिबेंचर सारखंच आहे. वर्किंग नोट नंबर 2. वर्किंग नोट नंबर 2. Sundry creditors given. Sundry creditors given rupees 60,000. नेक्स्ट लाइन लगा 50% of the same. 50% of the same. तर 60,000च्या 50% म्हणजे 30,000 लिहा समोर. आणि नेक्स्ट लाईनला reduced 50% of book value म्हणजे 30,000च्या पुन्हा 50% amount comes 15,000. Amount comes 15,000. So next entry, sundry creditors account debit. Sundry creditors account debit 15,000 to capital reduction account. To capital reduction account 15,000. म्हणजे 60,000तून 15,000 वजा होतील आणि नवीन बॅलन्स शीट मध्ये सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर्स 45,000 असतील. नरेशन being 50% of sundry creditors into bracket 60,000 bracket complete reduced to the 50% into bracket ला 30,000 bracket complete as per the scheme of reconstruction. As per the scheme of reconstruction. So ledger posting capital reduction account credit side by sundry creditors. By sundry creditors 15,000. 15,000. Next, you are required to prepare. We are going to prepare already, but one adjustment we are not considered. Number 1, intangible and fictitious assets are to be fully written off. Entry number 10, 11. What is the number right there? Capital reduction account debit. Capital reduction account debit to Now intangible asset is goodwill. To goodwill, amount given in the balance sheet rupees 4,50,000. To goodwill 4,50,000. And fictitious asset is to profit and loss account. To profit and loss account 4 lakhs. So total of credit comes 8,50,000. Write it to capital reduction account debit 8,50,000. Narration being intangible and fictitious assets. Intangible and fictitious assets are to be fully written off. Are to be fully written off as per the scheme of reconstruction. As per the scheme of reconstruction. So ledger posting, capital reduction account debit side to goodwill 4,50,000 and to profit and loss account 4 lakhs. या दोघांच्याही मध्ये इंटू ब्रॅकेट मध्ये पर्टिक्युलर्स मध्ये लिहा W.OFF W.OFF written off. Now make the total of capital reduction account. Capital reduction account. Overall, by looking the capital reduction account, you know which side is greater. Credit side is greater.
16 lakh 44,000.
16 lakhs
54,000.
54,000. So write the same amount to the debit side, 16 lakhs 54,000. And the difference, whatever may be, what is the amount of difference?
4,30,000.
Okay, right there 4,30,000 debit la liha capital reduction cha to capital reserve account. To capital reserve account 4,30,000 into bracket balancing figure. आता हे जे कॅपिटल रिझर्व आहेत ते आपल्याला नवीन बॅलन्स शीट मध्ये रिझर्व्स अँड सरप्लस या अकाउंट नोट मध्ये दिसतील. ह्याची शेवटची एंट्री कॅपिटल रिडक्शन अकाउंट डेबिट. एंट्री नंबर 13, 14 किती नंबर आहे? 13. कॅपिटल रिडक्शन अकाउंट डेबिट 4,30,000 to capital reserve account 4,30,000. Narration being balance of capital reduction account transfer to capital reserve account as per the scheme of reconstruction. So this is the journal entries and ledger posting. In the next period, we are going to prepare balance sheet and accounting notes. So today's lecture is complete now. जे आपल्या गुगल क्लासरूमला जॉईन झालेले नाहीत, मला वाटतं 80 पैकी 71 विद्यार्थी जॉईन झालेले आहेत. इथं उपस्थित असलेल्या पैकी जर कोणी असतील तर त्यांनी जॉईन व्हा. मला तुम्हाला एक टेस्ट द्यायची आहे. ओके, टेक केअर.